Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. This is quite simple. We tap on the three lines left in the top and then click on settings. Then from here we click on privacy and safety, and then from here we click on end-to-end encrypted chats. Then from here you have the option message storage, and right now we need to turn off secure storage. Now we click on turn off. And right now we just turn it off. Now right now if you go back, you have here the security alerts, and if you click here on view logins, you see here all the phones or PCs or whatever you want where you logged into. Now right now we just turn off the end-to-end encryption just on this phone, and if you want to do this for the other phone, then please click here on logout too. And after this, you turned off the end-to-end encryption, and this is exactly how you can do this. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.